In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side tailgate hinge on this Ford F-350. The procedure for the passenger side is a little bit easier because you don't have to completely remove the tailgate for it. It is also a different hinge, keep that in mind. Let's get started. Lift up on the tailgate to remove it, and once you get it about a third of the way up, you can pull out on it and it'll just drop right out of its hinge. Once you have the tailgate unhooked from the passenger side, you're going to lift it up, rest it on the bumper on the bottom, and then you're going to want to slide it towards the passenger side. Keep in mind we still have the cables attached, and you don't have to take them off if you don't want to. You can, and then you can remove the tailgate completely. But once I do slide it, I'm just going to let it hang right down here while I do my work. Use a T45 torque socket and remove the two bolts holding on this tailgate hinge. There's your hinge. Sometimes this is a fight because the bolts are rusted and they have thread locker on them. Take your new hinge, put it in position, start on the two mounting bolts. Once you've started them both, snug them up. When you tighten this up, you want to make sure it's still sitting where it's supposed to. You can typically just go by the paint marks around it and any dirt that it left behind in order to center it up properly so it can line up with the tailgate. It's a good idea to put a little bit of grease on this so that it can slide into its receiving part of the hinge with no problem and will prevent corrosion in the future. This is metal to metal contact in here. Now you take the tailgate and slide it back in on this side. Now you want to lift up the tailgate, slide it back into its hinge, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.